How squats actually work. Our previous video about squats got a lot of views, and it is not surprising. Various variations of squats are the favorite exercise of athletes for one very important reason: squats actually work. But how and why? In this video, I'll tell you in detail what will happen to your body if you squat every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be very useful and interesting. Let's go. Let's figure it out. The benefits of squats. The technique for performing squats is simple. No additional equipment is required. Another advantage is that this exercise is very natural for a person, since during the day we constantly squat. For example, to sit on a chair, pick up something, and so on. That day, that's why the risk of injury is minimized. By the way, a recent study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that performing squats with additional weight in postmenopausal women with osteopenia and osteoporosis improves bone mineral density in the spine, especially in the cervical region. In addition, beautiful and strong hips, as well as elastic and toned gluteal muscles, look great on both female and male bodies. Squats stimulate the production of hormones. Why squats are necessary? First, they stimulate the production of hormones. Squats increase the level of testosterone and growth hormone, which are directly involved in the building of muscles. Squats strengthen the core muscles. Secondly, squats strengthen the core muscles. Squats work your core. That is your lower back and abs. Oh, don't think that squats are just for legs and glutes. This almost universal exercise will hit a lot more muscles. Squats improve flexibility. Thirdly, squats improve flexibility. Deep squats improve the mobility of the hip joints. Many people, due to poor posture, put a lot of stress on their hips, so they often want to sit down and rest. The development of flexibility in the hip joints helps to correct posture and removes back pain. Squats help to remove waste products. Fourthly, squats help to get rid of waste products of the body faster. Squats improve the circulation of blood and other fluids, helping to remove waste products, as well as improve the delivery of essential nutrients to all organs. Squats don't actually kill your knees. Fifth, squats don't actually kill your knees. A lot of sports articles and reputable magazines say that even the deepest squats are unable to harm your ligaments. As the authors of the studies say, your cartilage tissue adapts to stress in order to cope with additional weight in the same way that muscles do. Squats by themselves don't harm your knees, but they can exacerbate existing problems. That is, if you didn't tell the coach about the knee injury, the pain may resume and there is the possibility of receiving new damage, since your body will no longer work as it should. Squats aren't harmful to your knees, but the wrong execution technique is actually the big problem. For example, you should never squat with a lot of weight so that your knees go far, your toes, as usually the weight of the body is evenly distributed for balance. And when lifting, you should push yourself with your heels without leaning forward much. In addition, it is worth paying attention to the back. It should be straightened. No humps in the lower back and chest, because they can lead to spinal injuries. Sixth, squats help you get faster and jump higher. Squats help you get faster and jump higher. Studies have shown that squats increase the speed and jump height of track and field athletes, which is why these exercises are always included in the training program of professional athletes. The explanation is very simple. Squats make your hips stronger, not only muscles, but also ligaments, and add flexibility to you, which means that the explosive jump power increases, depreciation improves, and, as a result, jumping injuries are reduced. As for running, it is more correct to increase speed, not due to frequency of steps or step width, but due to the correct work of the hips. Squats improve balance. Seventh, squats improve balance. As I said before, the squat is an exercise that comes naturally to our daily lives. Strong legs and core muscles make us more stable and help maintain balance. Improve communication between the brain and many muscle groups, which helps to avoid falling, and this increases the duration of a healthy and active life, because the less we fall in old age, when bones are no longer so strong, the less trouble we get. By the way, friends, be sure to watch the first part. It will perfectly complement the information from this video. Link is on the screen right now, and also write in the comments, have you tried to squat every day? Share. It will be interesting to read. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.